Questa, you have to try to find the way to put it immediately in the boat. Otherwise you will.
Cosa facciamo, Nico?
Con on the second cast, eh?
I saw him on the first one he jumped.
Απλά τον πέταξες μέσα τώρα που τον είδες να περνάει.
No, he jumped the first time.
Look.
Put him some water so he can stay alive.
Look at him. Dai.
Ok, va bene.
Nick!
Costi cosci.
E questo... Basta, ok, basta, perché tanto...
Nicolas.
Esci.
Nicolas is asking your help.
Ok, esci Anna, grazie.
Someone to come and hook it up.
Ok, esci. Ciao. Papi,
It's not jumping this one, eh?
give it to my dad, Shushu. Eran? Give it to my dad. Anna wants to talk to you.
Ma cosa? Ha buttato la lenza adesso così che pesca, ti pare?
Okay. Can you reach him?
Yeah, I can reach him. Wow, ma questo è un lucciolo.
Un'aguglia. Un'aguglia, sì.
No, sì, che non è. Un'aguglia così grande non è.
Sì.
Go.
Go in the front, go in front.
No, I caught shark bait, guys. It's really good. Dude, he's hooked really weird, huh?
Yeah, he's hooked on the back. Con.
Ce l'ha troppo il coso punta, sai mamma?
Oh, you got it on the side.
On the back.
Sta cadendo il bambino.
Oh, che bello.
Sono una degli animali.
Bravo.
Eccoci, preso.
Guarda che guarda, stai very very careful, the mouth is something that is incredible. Ma l'hai vista una cosa di questo genere?
Don't unplug it.
Po. Attention, eh?
Steph, watch out.
What I think is better that you put it. Ecco, basta. Basta. Feel it. Morto. Basta.
Oh!
Ora you catch it. You are very lucky, eh?
Con.
Very lucky.
Attack for once. I threw it back.
Very lucky.
It's good. It's done. He's shaking. He's done.
Bacca, it's finished.
A blow to the
Caught him on from nothing. You
Yes,
caught
for
him.
nothing, you see?
Mamma mia.
He just went probably close. The first catch with that.
It's too big.
The one he bought yesterday, eh? Ada. The one he bought yesterday.
Guarda i denti di questa, sai? Questi hanno i denti così
Yeah.
come
You have to pay the
coltello.
hook.
No, you have to pay, yes.